The numbering system is used to record information on the health of a patient's teeth and to efficiently share information with other oral health professionals. Different numbering systems are used for adult teeth and children's deciduous teeth. In this video we discuss about FDI dental numbering system. For adults, the mouth is divided into quadrants numbered from 1 to 4 clockwise starting from the upper left from the dentist's view. Now I will draw, and show you, to make it easy to understand. Here you can see the teeth of the upper and lower jaws. First let's divide it into 4 quadrants, by a horizontal and a vertical line. Here is the right side of the patient, and you are seeing this from dentist's view. That is why it is located on the left side of the screen. The upper right side is the first quadrant, and the upper left side is the second quadrant. The lower left side is the third quadrant, and the fourth quadrant is located on the lower right side. See, it is clockwise numbering. Now let's number each teeth. You know that an adult has 32 teeth, so if we divide them into 4 quadrants, there will be 8 teeth in each quadrants. I will start from the incisive teeth of the first quadrant. So as you can see, here we will have tooth number 11 to 18. Let's see the teeth numbering of the second quadrant. In here the numbers start by 2. So if we start from the first incisive tooth, we will have tooth number 21 to 28. And the same happens in the third quadrant, we will have tooth number 31 to 38. And the last quadrant, here we have tooth number 41 to 48 simple. For children, the mouth is divided into quadrants numbered from 5 to 8 clockwise, starting from the upper left from the dentist's view. The children's deciduous teeth are numbered from 1 to 5, going from the central incisor to canines and then to the premolars. It means, in the upper right side we have tooth number 51 to 55. In the upper left side, we have tooth number 61 to 65. In the lower left side tooth number 71 to 75. And in the lower right side we have tooth number 81 to 85. We are reaching to the end of the video. Here are 2 tables which shows FDI teeth numbering for both adult and child teeth. You can make note or make a screenshot, so you will be able to have a quick review whenever you feel confused about it. Keep in mind that as a dentist you need to say the tooth number as you see it, or when you hear a tooth number you should immediately understand what tooth it is. So practice, and make sure you are good at this. Thank you for watching us. If you like the video don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any question or suggestion feel free to comment. See you on next video.